Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Tana and we are Softrix. Today we are thrilled to share another case study, this time focusing on hotel business in New York. We have tackled many industries but the hospitality sector in a city like New York presents its own unique set of challenges. Stick around to see how we craft a strategy that draws booking and increase visibility for this New York hotel. Let's dive in. Client background. Our client is a mid-sized hotel located in the heart of New York. They wanted to increase direct booking through their website, improve brand recognition, and reduce their reliance on third-party booking platforms. With a highly competitive market and seasonal fluctuation in demand, they turned to us for a Google ad campaign to help them achieve their goal. Objectives. The primary objectives for the campaign were increase direct booking through the hotel website bypassing third-party platform, improve brand recognition and visibility among travelers coming to New York, maximize occupancy rates even during the off-season. Challenges faced. This campaign came with its own set of challenges. Competitive market in New York. The hotel industry in the New York is a highly competitive, with travelers often choosing between numerous options in the same area. We needed to create ads that stood out and highlight the unique selling point of the hotel. Seasonality. Hotel booking fluctuate depending on the season, particularly in a destination like New York, so we needed to adjust our strategy to ensure steady booking during both peak and off-peak periods. High commission fees. The client was heavily reliant on third-party booking platforms which charge high commission fees. Our goal was to drive direct booking to reduce these costs. Strategy. Here are the strategies we implement to achieve our objectives. Keyword research and section. We conducted extensive keyword research to target phrases like best hotel in New York, affordable luxury hotel New York, and book New York hotel directly. While focusing on high intent keywords, we attract travelers actively searching for the accommodation in the city. Ad creative development. We created visually compelling ad creatives that showcase the hotel unique feature such as its proximity to New York, popular attraction, luxurious amenities, and exclusive offer for direct booking. Each ad include a strong call to action such as book direct for best rate or exclusive deals available. Targeting and segmentation. We use geographic targeting to focus on travel planning to visit New York. Additionally, we implemented demographic targeting to reach specific groups such as couples, families, and business travelers. Retargeting strategies were also used to re-engage users who had previously visited the hotel website but had not completed a booking. Bidding strategy. We employed a combination of manual and automated bidding strategies such as target ROS and enhanced CPC to maximize return on the client budget and increase direct booking. Seasonal campaign adjustment. To address seasonality, we tailored campaigns to highlight special offer during off-peak times and increase visibility during peak tourist season in New York. We also promoted package and discount for the extended stays during slower months. Landing page optimization. We optimize the hotel booking pages to improve the user experience, ensuring quick load time, mobile responsiveness, and clear calls to action that encourage direct booking. Result and performance. Now let's look at result over a 4-month period. We saw increased weekday bookings. Within a month, the hotel witnessed a remarkable 40% increase in weekdays booking. The call only campaign effectively addressed their primary challenges while driving more effective during off-peak times. Budget efficiency. While restricting ad visibility to weekdays only, the budget was utilized more efficiently, resulting in a cost-effective solution for the client. Local presence. The locally focused strategy helped the hotel connect with nearby guests who were more likely to book on short notice for weekday stays, further boosting occupancy rates during slower period. Call volume. The cost-effective landing page facilitated the redirection to calls directly through the ads, simplifying the booking process for potential guests. As a result, within a month, we started receiving around 50-80 phone calls, an average of 30 and 35 booking per week. These improvements not only boosted the hotel revenue but also solidified its local presence in New York. Most converted keyword: hotel room in New York, hotel in New York, hotel near me, New York hotel. Conclusion. This Google ad case study for a hotel business in New York showcased how to well-planned digital marketing strategy can drive booking, reduce cost, and improve brand visibility while focusing on direct booking, optimizing ads, and adjusting for seasonality. Hotel in major destination like New York can significantly enhance their online presence and profitability. If you have a PPC ads running in a similar niche, reach out to us for a free audit via the WhatsApp number given on the top. If there are no PPC ads yet, contact us with your website URL, monthly budget, location, targeting for a tailored proposal. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.